Hello everybody and welcome to the Whiskey Dictionary. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a hot toddy because like most of the US right now, I currently have a cold. So sniffing and nosing whiskey is kind of out and figured I still want to put out a video. What can I do? Hot toddy seemed like an obvious answer and it gets the, two-factor thing of making me feel a little better. So very easy to make. Think about if you were making tea. You need obviously your hot water, maybe some honey if you got a sore throat, and a lot of people do lemon in their tea as well. All you need extra is bourbon. It's pretty easy. So what you're gonna go for is about an ounce of bourbon. So if you wanna think about just kind of pouring a shot, that's a little too weak. Let's go a little bit more. So about a shot, about an ounce. All right, next you want to put a little bit of honey in there. You're aiming for kind of whatever makes you happy, really. I like this one because it is very much whatever you want it to be. You really don't have to adhere to anything. Next, you're gonna do your lemon. And for those of you that don't know, if you're doing like a fresh lemon and you take it and you roll it around while pushing down, not too hard, that loosens all the juices inside there. Totally almost cut my finger. And you can even feel the difference when you squeeze it. So if you cut this, it's pretty much going to make it way easier. To squeeze your lemon juice. Normally I would do this a little bit different, but doing things on camera, you have to film certain ways. All right, so you're going not for a terribly large amount, just a couple teaspoons. I'd say that was probably about a teaspoon and a half. And then you just kind of put some hot water in there. And that's it. You wait until the drink itself kind of melts the honey. If you really want to get fancy, which I often do. Boy, I should have sharpened this knife first, huh? All right, if you want to get fancy, you just do a little bit of lemon on the side, make it look nice for yourself. And that's it. So hot toddy is very, very simple to make and it's good for you. And as good for you as something with alcohol can be, but it will make you feel better if you're not feeling well. So thank you for joining me here, and I look forward to doing a few more of these kinds of drinks. Other than a Manhattan and an old fashioned, if you happen to love any sort of whiskey drinks, put them in the comments below, because I'm looking for ideas. I'd like to do more of these over the course of the year. So cheers. Of honey, or as I like to, think of it, however much honey you can manage to get out. Holy crap. Well, that didn't work well.